Boiron shares have been sliding, but is the market missing something here? You're watching Insightful Value, where we don't chase hype. We analyze what's quietly undervalued and often overlooked. Today's deep dive. Boiron. What's really going on with the stock? And is this pullback just noise or a genuine red flag? This review is for informational and educational purposes only, and not financial advice. Boiron is a French pharmaceutical company, best known for its focus on homeopathic products. While homeopathy remains controversial in certain circles, Boiron has carved out a niche in this space for decades, becoming a global leader in the segment. Their flagship product, oscillococcinum, is widely used in Europe for flu-like symptoms. Boiron also offers a wide range of natural medicines aimed at managing allergies, stress, colds, and pain. In terms of fundamentals, the company is highly cash generative and has no long-term debt, which gives it financial flexibility even when revenue trends become unpredictable. The stock is in a visible downtrend, likely reflecting a mix of macro concerns, slower consumer demand, and increased regulatory scrutiny over homeopathic remedies. Yet from a value perspective, that may be exactly where the opportunity lies. Boiron's price-to-earnings ratio has compressed to multi-year lows. The market may be pricing in flat growth indefinitely, but the company has been steadily adjusting its cost structure, expanding into newer markets, and investing in education campaigns to boost consumer confidence. Revenue was recently impacted by destocking among distributors, not a collapse in end-user demand. That distinction matters, especially when analyzing normalized earnings power. Management is shareholder-friendly, with a consistent history of dividends and occasional special payouts when cash levels rise. They've also been active in buybacks during periods of weakness, a signal of internal confidence. Another underappreciated factor is Boiron's positioning in the broader wellness trend. As more consumers shift toward alternative and integrative medicine, Boiron's brand recognition gives it a foothold that's hard to replicate. Their strategy focuses on affordability, accessibility, and a broad over-the-counter product base, essentially giving them exposure to health-conscious consumers without prescription dependency. The risks? Regulatory frameworks are evolving. If restrictions increase on marketing or labeling of homeopathic products, that could pressure revenues. Also, while Boiron is highly trusted in parts of Europe, it remains niche in many international markets. But if you believe in mean reversion and the power of niche brands with loyal customer bases, this may be a story worth watching closely. At Insightful Value, this is exactly the kind of situation we monitor. Companies that are out of favor, but not out of business. We specialize in in-depth analysis of undervalued stocks. We dig into the data, simplify the insights, and help investors of all levels understand what really matters. Whether you're building a long-term portfolio or just looking for smarter ideas, we've got you covered. For more on Boiron and other under-the-radar names, head to InsightfulValue.com. And don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube so you don't miss our next breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.